Today, we are heading to the world's tallest statue. We'll uncover how it was created, explore the area around it, and reveal the top 7 facts you should know about this amazing structure. The Statue of Unity is located in Gujarat, India. The closest airport is Vadodara, located around 93 kilometers, about a 2-hour drive. Since private vehicles are not permitted inside the Statue of Unity zone, you'll need to park and then take either a rickshaw or a bus to reach the site. The ticket with viewing gallery and a bus cost is 580 rupees, and there are plenty of hotels in the area for an overnight stay. Today is a rainy day, so it doesn't look like we can do much. But if you come here, please try to stay for at least 2 days, as there is a lot to see and do. That brings me to the fact number 1. The total area measures about 2200 acres. There is Children Nutrition Park, a mall, Arogyavan, river rafting, boating, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Dam Viewpoint, Dino Train, Valley of Flowers, Jungle Safari, Tent City Narmada, Vishwa One, Cactus Garden, Butterfly Garden, and of course there is a food court. There are very few people here due to the weather, so it's a good thing and a bad thing for us. We can go around the statue leisurely, but due to rain we cannot do much as most of the places are outdoors. They have a golf cart for the elderly, pregnant, and disabled people. The rest of us either walk or take an escalator that walks for us. Fact 2. The statue. This statue is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of independent India, an original Iron Man. Sardar Patel was chosen for the Statue of Unity because of his pivotal role as the Iron Man of India, instrumental in unifying over 560 princely states into a single independent nation after British rule, making him the architect of modern unified India. The statue is on the Narmada River in Kevadia colony, facing the Sardar Dam. Now we talk about fact 3, the cost of the statue. The project was first announced in 2010 by Narendra Modi, then Chief Minister of Gujarat, and construction started in 2013 by Indian company Larsen and Toubro with a total construction cost of 27 billion rupees. It was designed by Padma Bhushan sculptor Ram Sutar and was inaugurated by Narendra Modi, now Prime Minister of India, on 31st October 2018 on what would have been Sardar Patel's 143rd birthday. Fact 4. The structure. Launched in 2013, the Statue of Unity movement collected scrap iron from farmers who contributed their old agricultural tools. By 2016, 135 metric tons had been gathered, with 109 tons processed for the statue's foundation. Over 300 engineers and 3,400 workers built the structure using 70,000 tons of cement, almost 25,000 tons of steel, and 12,000 bronze panels, weighing about 1,700 tons. This statue can be seen from 7 kilometers away. Fact 5. The strength and the height. Designed for durability, the statue can withstand winds of 180 kilometers per hour, an earthquake up to magnitude of 6.5. It stands 240 meters tall, including a 58 meters base and 182 meter statue. The height of 182 meters was specifically chosen to match the number of seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. Fact 6. Cleanliness. This may not be a fact and just my opinion, but I'm sure people would agree. This whole area is spotless, and the restrooms located at several spots are clean and well maintained. The structure stands out not just for its height but also for its excellent maintenance, easily matching standards seen in Western countries. Very impressive. Fact 7. The height comparison. The elevator shows a picture of all the notable statues and their heights. Christ the Redeemer in Brazil is 38 meters. Motherland Calls Russia is 91 meters. Statue of Liberty in US is 93 meters. Guanyin of Nanshan in China is 108 meters. Spring Temple Buddha in China is 128 meters. And on a staggering height is this Statue of Unity at 182 meters. They have 3 escalators that go up to the base to the feet of the statue. On the way back, because there are very few people here, they gave us a ride in a golf cart. They also have a projection mapping show like a laser show that uses 51 high-powered laser projectors from 600 meters away to tell the story of Sardar Patel and India's unity. Unfortunately, it was closed due to rain. We took a bus to Valley of Flowers and got down there as the rain had stopped for a few minutes. We also stopped over at a viewpoint of the Sardar Dam. As I said before, make it a point to visit this area. It's definitely worth a visit or two. Thank you for joining us. We will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.